Well, a very good morning. Today is a little bit of a sad day, but also I'm a little bit glad because today we're going to be saying goodbye to Proud Mary. The raffle has been drawn, the winner has been announced. He's coming today to pick up his prize, Proud Mary. I've still got a few things to do. I haven't cleaned her properly yet. I've got to sweep her out, make sure I've left none of my personal possessions in there. Also, she needs a good dust down. There's cobwebs everywhere. It's been sat here for a little while, waiting for Robert to come pick her up. So I'm going to quickly do that, and hopefully in time before Robert gets here to collect his prize. Right, where do I begin? I just hope he's happy with his prize. He's not disappointed in any way, shape or form. I think I mentioned it at the beginning of this series of getting Mary ready for the winner. Years ago I won a raffle and I got presented with a broken toy basically, and I was only a kid and I was really disappointed, and the whole time I've been trying to get this van ready for the winner because I want the winner to feel excited, not disappointed like I was when I was a child and I won my very first raffle, which was an Elvis Presley dancing alarm clock. The legs kept falling off basically. And I want Rob to turn up and look at Mary and go, wow, can't believe I've won all this van for just £5. I don't want him, well, I don't think he's going to be disappointed. I mean, would you be disappointed if you won this van for £5? Probably not. I know I wouldn't. Well, this van's cost me probably the best part of 15 grand. Rob's got it for a £5. So, yeah, he should be alright. Fine. Should be fine. Just want to make sure I've not left anything behind in the shelf. Yes, I did get a new toilet. I've left it in the box so Rob knows it's new and unused. Which is a bit strange when you think about it. I mean, when you buy a house, you get the toilet, right? You don't get a brand new toilet with a brand new house. Well, if it's brand new, I suppose you do. But if it's a second-hand house, you don't get a new toilet, a new bathroom. But when you buy a second-hand campervan, you get a brand new toilet. There you go. Don't buy a house, buy a van. Or when I do my next raffle, make sure you buy a ticket. Because you too could end up with a new loo. Well, that's worth a £5. Just a toilet. And you really need to thank Becky for that, because if it was up to me, you would have got the old toilet. I would have left the old one in there, but Becky insisted on me buying a new loo. And she's here today, by the way. She's hiding. She's hiding in the Vario. Make sure this is actually turned off. Can't remember if I turned the gas off. No, I didn't. Bad now. Turn the gas off because Robert is going to be driving this away. You should always turn your gas off before you drive anywhere. Keys, yep. Shut. Becky's saying goodbye to Mary now.
Yeah, it's actually kind of sad to be in here at the moment, knowing that this is going to be the last time.
Yeah. I've left the basket in here as well.
And you've absolutely checked for that 500 quid.
Yeah, I've checked everywhere and lost 500 quid. So I hid 500 quid a while ago somewhere in this van and I can't find it.
It's about 2 years ago.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
Yeah, so Robert, if you find that 500 quid, give it back, would you?
It's in here somewhere.
Yeah.
I stuffed it behind a panel. And
we have got some secret places
and
in
without
this van. Yeah.
ripping it all apart.
Yeah. It's not going to be possible. Do you think
no,
he'll be happy winning this for £5?
I think so. I hope so.
Yeah.
It's worth 500 quid if nothing else.
Oh, it's worth a lot more than that.
I don't think Robert wants my old washcloth, does he?
Oh no. Oh God, no.
Yes, you know where that's been. You don't need everyone else to. I even found the remote for the diesel heater and I checked it and it works.
Okay, great.
She's done. Fridge. I think it's clean.
Yeah, you did that all.
Yeah, I did all that. That's all clean. Induction cooktop. Yeah. It's all nice and clean. New toilet.
New toilet, yeah, good. Did you check them out? Did you try them out in Atwell's?
No, I think that's exactly the same toilet that I took out of there,
145.
so we know it
Okay.
fits. But it won't fit in the box. I left it in the box. I thought then Richard could see. Robert could see.
Robert can see that.
Robert can see that it's a brand new toilet.
Yeah, nobody wants a second-hand toilet.
Well, when you buy a house, you buy a second-hand
Yeah,
toilet.
but that's a bit different. It's ceramic, so it's more hygienic.
Well,
plastic.
This plastic's hygienic.
No, it's not after a while.
Well,
He's
it's
done
up to
it
me. I
anyway.
would have left the toilet in here. So, thank Becky for that. Robert, when you use your nice loo, think of Becky.
Thanks.
It's
It's nice. It's nice to have a few clean things.
Yes, I've even left the toilet roll in there.
Oh, well done. Just in case he's
Just in
caught short
case.
on the way home.
Just in case, you never know. There's water, there's that.
The battery's all up to scratch, is it? Ready for him.
Yeah, it's all done. The Bert is charged 100%. That's all charged up. Engine battery's good. I've left the charger in there for his phone as well.
Oh, well done. What a charge cable?
No, little.
Yeah.
Soft metal
12-volt
detector.
one. Yeah. Well, thank you, Mary, for all of the good times.
Yes.
We will always love you and miss you. But we're glad that you're going to someone new.
Gonna miss my Mamma Mia cupboards.
Yeah, Mamma Mia.
Can't believe that. I was watching telly one day, watching Mamma Mia, of all things, and then I realised that the colour of all the cupboards are the same as Meryl Streep's kitchen cupboards.
Yeah, well, it's Greek,
It's quite
isn't
funny,
it?
yeah. It was unintentional, honestly. I'm not a closet Mamma Mia fan.
No, he's an
ABBA
outright ABBA fan. He's not a closet anything.
Right,
Right, let's go. Let's wait for...
okay.
Robert to
Say
arrive.
goodbye.
Yeah, I've said goodbye.
Let's go. All done. Done all my checks. She's good to go.
Yeah?
So Rob is here to pick up Proud Mary.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, mate. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mel.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The bro.
And Becky as well. Obviously, you're in there.
Thank you, Rob. Nice to meet you.
It's lovely to be here to see this in grand vision.
Yes.
Big vision.
I know, it's probably very different in person, isn't it, compared
Yes.
to on the telly or the phone, whatever.
The post-it note is gone. Rob was just asking about the height because you've got a workshop.
I've got a unit, yeah.
You've got a unit.
Yeah.
And you're worried it might not fit.
I just let the tyres down all the time and then put them back up when I come out and then down again.
That's a good
Measure
idea.
it if you like before you go. Put a bit of wood across the top and measure the height.
That's okay, I won't leave it here just because it won't fit my unit. I'll sort something else there.
Have to park it somewhere else.
Right,
Oh,
what
yeah.
else
Oh,
are you
yes,
doing now?
yes.
Have a look in. Oh,
Yeah.
how lovely.
He's
I remember watching one of Becky's videos and she said, when I met Mel, he was much taller than I thought. And then Mary was much bigger than I thought. And I was like, I wonder if that'll happen to me.
Mind you, I'm small, so everything's big.
You've got a new toilet in there as well,
Amazing.
Robert. You can see it on the back of the bed.
Yes.
I insisted that he got you a new
Well,
toilet.
I did watch that video and he was like, oh, he won't fit in there. I'll leave it in the box. And I thought, fair enough.
Yeah, I thought I'd leave it in the box then you know it's new and unused.
Yeah.
But I was just saying to Becky, when you buy a house, you get a toilet with a house. You don't
It's
go
been
out
there
and
for
buy a
13
new
years.
toilet.
I know, but...
It might be clean
So
though.
what's the
Yeah.
difference? So if you want a new toilet, don't buy a house, buy a van.
Yeah, as long as
You
I've
still got the
got
receipt now. I'll have the old one.
Yeah.
And you said about these stickers.
Yeah, I left
you
them
said,
on
"Oh,
there."
I'll take them off for the new owner." I was like, "No, don't do that."
A lot of people commented saying don't take them
Yeah,
off.
I know.
Well, we were thinking
the-
it like it's quite personal.
Because that's
so-
about Mary, not well.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
kind of about Mary, not you, but it's about you, not Mary. So
Yeah.
the funniest
It
thing
doesn't-
about this whole affair of me winning the raffle, and thanks to everyone else that didn't win, but someone
It
had
meant
to.
that Rob could get it.
I would have been watching. Yeah, I would have been watching otherwise, going, "Oh, good for them." Was the fact that I knew you from when I searched for the calorifiers, right?
Oh, right.
So I knew you forward from there, or forward from there.
Oh right, so that's a good year
So-
and a bit, maybe longer.
So then I had to then go back because I didn't ever envisage Mary being in my life. So I had to then go back, and I went back to the start. I went back to the auction, and then I went back to it breaking down and going to limp mode, and you outside the house go, "Oh, it's raining," and it was such a journey.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't watch all of them because that's a lot of content, but I put them into a playlist that I can then. And
You
I
can
thought,
learn.
when do you actually get the documented building of a van on a YouTube video?
Yeah,
You know,
everything's on
if
there
I
from
want to
day
know
one.
what's behind the ceiling, I can go onto a video and watch it.
Exactly.
yeah, and it's good
That
because if you do
doesn't
have a
happen.
problem, you can
Right,
check
yeah.
it. Yeah,
Because
yeah.
you're literally taking
I
a
never
chance
even
with
thought of
any
that.
self-build that you...
Yeah.
It's all documented.
I will be really interested to know though, once you are out and about in it, how many people will come up
I
thinking
know.
it's us.
That's what I
That will
was
be
thinking.
interesting.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
be prepared just
Yeah.
in case. Like, hello, Mel. Oh no, it's
Yeah.
not Mel.
Yeah, people wave at you.
What I'll probably do is just put on the side a big stickers, "I'm not Mel,"
Yeah.
on both sides. "I'm not Mel," and then people will go,
Well, I've got one question to ask you before I give you the keys.
"Yeah,
Would you buy another ticket if I did another raffle?
yeah." I bought a ticket in the first place, not to win the van. I bought it to support your channel.
Oh, thank you.
But then, obviously, I went out and bought another 20 tickets because I thought I might win.
obviously
I think the inner me thought, "Oh, I could win this. Why not?" So, and it was my second lot of tickets that actually got it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there you
Because the
go.
raffle tells you which one it was.
Oh, does it? It gives
Yeah,
you the number.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good
So
to
I was
know.
like, "Oh, that was good." I
Interesting.
didn't just go with the 3. I went with the 20.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, well, there you go then, Robert.
Is that it? Wow. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I really do. And so great to meet you both as well.
You.
Really
Take
good.
care. Yeah.
Really good.
And we hope that you will love Mary as much as we have.
I will.
Because we've had so many good memories here. And you have, obviously,
Yeah.
one before.
It's optional.
Yeah, don't worry about
It's
that.
optional. Fleet number. I was like,
It's
again.
nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, well, I'm glad you're just so
I got a hurt arm from that, you know.
That's your part of the
No,
look.
like-
This is mine. I send this off. Or finish.
But if I
You're
close
going to go
there,
around the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's weird you carrying this around.
I know, no crying. No
Yeah,
crying.
I'm
eh?
trying to.
If I see you crying, I think he's going to carry on driving. Eh?
Yeah. Bye.
See you later.
Bye, Mary.
Here she goes.
Oh my god. That's so weird. What a lovely chat for it to go to, though. Oh, bye-bye, Mary.
Big strange watching it go.
I'm gonna cry.
We got Dragonfly now.
Yes.
There you go.
Gone to good home.
Hopefully you found this video mildly entertaining, slightly informative. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you very soon. I may, just may, raffle off another van. Stay tuned.
think
Ta-ra
he's
for
the-
now.
Bye.